DJI Neo Unboxing. This video will introduce the unboxing instructions for DJI Neo and the DJI Neo Fly More combo, and how to prepare for the first flight. Unboxing. Open the box and take out DJI Neo and its accessories. DJI Neo Fly More combo includes 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, and a DJI RCN3 remote controller. Preparing DJI Neo. Check the appearance of DJI Neo. Press down to remove the gimbal protector. Make sure the battery has been correctly installed on DJI Neo. Find the power button on the tail of DJI Neo. Next, locate the mode button, mode indicators, and battery level indicators on the head of DJI Neo. Activate the battery by connecting the USB charger to the USB-C port on DJI Neo. When the battery level LEDs light up, it means that the battery has been successfully activated. The battery level LEDs blink in sequence and display the current battery level during charging. It is recommended to fully charge the battery to ensure there is enough power for DJI Neo activation and firmware updates. Downloading the app. Scan the QR code on the Quick Start Guide to download and install the DJI Fly app. Activating DJI Neo. Enable Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Keep your smartphone connected to the internet. Launch the DJI Fly app, register or log in to a DJI account. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on DJI Neo. On the home screen in DJI Fly, tap Connection Guide in the bottom right corner and select the device model. When connecting to the app for the first time, press and hold the power button on DJI Neo when the prompt appears. The battery level LEDs blink from inside to out and then turn solid. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete connection and activation. If you have purchased or intend to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchasing and binding within 48 hours of activating DJI Neo. Updating firmware. When a new firmware update prompt appears in the app, tap the prompt to enter the update screen, and then tap Update to update DJI Neo to the latest firmware version. Do not power off DJI Neo or exit the app during the firmware update. It is normal that DJI Neo restarts automatically during the update process. After the update, DJI Neo will automatically power off and will need to be manually powered on. For the DJI Neo Fly More combo, please continue watching to learn how to use the remote controller and charging hub, and how to replace the intelligent flight battery. DJI RCN3 remote controller. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots and mount them on the remote controller. Press the power button once to check the current battery level. Charge the remote controller by connecting the USB charger to the USB-C port. Pull out the mobile device holder to find the remote controller cable. Check that the connector with an RC icon has been properly inserted. Remove the other connector, unwind it to the right, and place it behind the non-slip pads of the clamp. Place your smartphone in the holder with the charging port on the right side, and then secure it in the clamps. Adjust the smartphone and then connect the remote controller cable. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on the remote controller. For DJI Neo Fly More combo, the remote controller and DJI Neo have been linked before purchase. Make sure to update the remote controller when new firmware is available. Replacing battery. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off DJI Neo. Press the battery latch, then push the intelligent flight battery toward the tail of DJI Neo to remove it. Align the battery so that it is in the mounting position. Insert the battery and push it all the way toward the head of DJI Neo. The click sound and the battery latch popping up indicate the battery is properly inserted. Charging hub. Insert the batteries into the slots of the charging hub and push them down all the way. Activate the batteries by connecting the USB charger to the USB-C port on the charging hub. Each battery needs to be activated before use. When the LEDs of the charging hub turn solid, it means that the batteries have been fully charged. The charging hub with the inserted batteries can be used as a power bank. Connect an external device Then press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to supply power to the external device.